Are your neuronal cultures functional? Your neurons may look healthy, but are they firing, connecting, forming networks? Whether you're modeling neurological disease or screening novel therapeutic compounds, healthy, functional cultures and robust electrophysiological data provide the foundation for impactful discoveries. Discover a complete workflow that takes you from pluripotent stem cells to mature, active neurons, and from functional data to publication-ready results. Start your research confidently with highly characterized human iPSC lines, or dive into your experiments sooner with our growing portfolio of assay-ready iPSC-derived cells. Choosing a neuronal culture medium that promotes activity and maturation is essential. Compared to traditional media, BrainPhys more closely mimics the brain's extracellular environment to support synaptic communication, network formation, and long-term neuronal health. Alternatively, streamline your workflow with BrainPhys integrated media kits to generate a variety of neuronal subtypes. Explore more than 25 easy-to-use STEMdiff culture kits, optimized for reproducible neural induction, differentiation, and maturation. The result: physiologically relevant neurons, ready for downstream experiments and analyses. Seamlessly pair your cultures with the Maestro Pro MEA System and validated protocols to generate predictive data quickly and confidently. Simply culture your cells on MEA plates, then record neural activity in real time. No labels, no dyes, no complicated steps required. With the intuitive software, complex data are rapidly transformed into publication-ready results. The Maestro Pro is ideal for neurological disease modeling, early-stage drug screening, neurotoxicity testing, and so much more. Equipped with 768 channels, the Maestro Pro supports simultaneous recordings from up to 96 wells at once, so you can rapidly scale your research. With STEMCELL's optimized cell culture solutions and Maestro MEA, active neuronal cultures and predictive functional data are at your fingertips. Propel your neural research forward with a workflow designed for discovery. Learn more at STEMCELL.com/MaestroMEA.